Right, so yes, this is our discussion on net present value, and we'll also be looking at, we would also be looking at payback period, etc. All right, so here we go. All right, so first of all, let's clear up a few things. So what is this net present value about? What is it about? What is the purpose of it? All right, before we start the calculations. Well, net present value. It's really a discounting technique. So here's what: if let's say Ayana is interested in maybe investing in some project, maybe building some villas and so on, Ayana would want to know the value of her money over a period of time. You with me in that, Maria and Kevin and Ayana and Favel, right? She would need to know that, what would be the value, of our money in the next year, 2 years, 3 years so far, right? Good. So let me just read this. So the discounting technique helps in determining investment decisions. That is, evaluating profitability as well. Since we are projecting future value, these values need to be converted into present value to help make a meaningful decision. For it to make sense, because all right, I might spend $5 now on a project. All right. Let's say in 4 years time, by the time I get my money back, that $5 might be worth $1. You understand what I'm saying? It wouldn't worth anything. All right. So I need to look at my pay. I need to look at my my net present value, and I also need to look at my payment period. You with me on that, guys? You with me on that? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Because money, remember, money devaluates. You with me on that? Money devaluates. Yeah, it does. What you could have bought 5 years ago, how much? For example, doubles, a bread, etc. That $5 cannot buy it anymore. You with me on that, right? $5 could have bought so many things maybe 20 years ago. All right? Fast track to 2021. That same $5, you can hardly buy anything with it. Isn't that true or isn't that not true? And that is normal. That is normal. Am I right or am I wrong? Testing 1 2 3. You with me on that, guys? You with me on that? You all follow me on that? Let me know. So let me see if Ayana is agreeing. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. I'm cool with that. So net present value, right? So when we start doing the calculations, it will make a bit more sense. All right. So again, there's a discounting technique we'll be using, and that will help us calculate. The, what should I say? The present value of the particular of money within, let's say, within 3 years or within 4 years or within 5 years. What will be the value of that money presently? All right, so we look at that. Okay, stand by.